Day 15. Wonderful. This is the third week and when the challenge begins. But if you've been doing circle traces for the past 2 weeks, it should be physically possible. It's just that you need to figure out the rhythm and the weight shift. So to quickly explain it, you want to start off with your fingertips pointed to the side. Honestly, you should have mentioned it, but when you do your circle traces, you want your fingertips to be pointed out to the side. It's the most average position, such that if you are going in a 360 circle, it's the most neutral and most comfortable. Okay, so what's gonna happen is that you're gonna draw a circle out, and then you're gonna whip as hard as you can. Draw a huge circle, but then you're gonna let that momentum carry you halfway around. So that is, I realize I didn't explain what this is. These are circle flares. These are dragging circle flares, and we're doing half and then another half. Okay, so we're gonna go out and let it swing us around. And then we're gonna keep that circle going. So we're gonna do the other foot, snap it in, go around. All right, so the interesting technique here is that there's a weight shift involved with the hands. I'm gonna exaggerate it by lifting my hands up, but it really is more of it's a shift rather than, because impacts are gonna hurt your joints. You don't want it to be impacting hard. The rule of thumb for how to do the weight shift is whichever direction that your leg is swinging towards, you want to start with weight on that arm, and then you're gonna shift onto the other. And you're really, like the entire time, whenever you're making contact with floor, you wanna be pushing through the floor. Okay, so once again, we're gonna do only 2 reps. So here, arm comes out. So I'm gonna start with weight here, and then we're gonna shift here as the leg carries over. Nice. And then now, since I'm starting with my left leg, I'll start with weight here, and it's gonna shift over. All right, here, and go. Oh, I messed the timing up there a bit. Let's do it again. Perfect. So that was 3 sets of 3. I took a break there. I did then 1 and 2. But that is 3 sets of 3. Then you're gonna do the counterclockwise direction. I'll do one the other direction. Facing this way so you guys get the back view. All right. Left leg out now. Right leg out now. Perfect. And then you're gonna end up with your side plank leg lift. Leg up, down. That's 1 rep. Repeat for 3 sets of 6, both sides.